Hello Super Mobile fans, happy day to you. I want to appreciate those of you who constantly watch my videos. Thank you for the support. Infinix Mobile is seriously fighting the heavy competition in the mobile market as they keep releasing trendy and affordable smartphones almost every month. The Hot 8 in September, the S5 in October, and now the Infinix Smart 4 models will be launching soon, probably in November. So far, here's what you should expect from the Infinix Smart 4 models, based on the leaks I got about the 1GB RAM version. Here is the back design of the upcoming Smart 4. There are no upgrades here. Still has the same 30MP single rear camera with single LED flash. Fingerprint scanner is still present, while the speaker grills have been redesigned and remains at the bottom left corner. Next is the right side design. There is the volume and power buttons, but now there's an additional strange button below, which I think might be a colored dedicated Google Assistant button. Let's wait and see. Next is the top side, which still has nothing like the Smart 3. The bottom side still retains only the microphone, headphone jack and micro USB port. The left side still has no SIM tray slot, which means that the Smart 4 will also come with a removable back cover that protects the dual 4G nano SIM slot, the dedicated SD card slot, and the battery. I have no idea on the battery size of the Smart 4, but I believe it will be upgraded to about 3500 mAh from the 3050 mAh in the Smart 3. The 2GB RAM version might have a bigger 4000 mAh battery. The major design upgrade is in the front side. The base models of the Smart 4 will have a bigger 6.2 inches water drop notch display with an HD Plus resolution. I believe the water drop notch houses the same 8MP selfie camera as the Smart 3. Then there will be a front selfie flash at the left, just like the Hot 8. These are all the information I have so far on the design of the upcoming Infinix Smart 4. If all my calculations are right, I think this should be close to the official specifications of the Infinix Smart 4. Let me know your expectations for the Infinix Smart 4. I see no reason why Infinix will not adopt the same MediaTek Helio 822 quad-core processor like they did with the Smart 3. We should also be expecting a price between 27,000 Naira for the 1GB RAM version and 32,000 Naira for the 2GB RAM version. Please remember to take all this information with a pinch of salt, as the official specifications might be different. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.
Infinix, the future is now.